Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Panasonic Eluga i8 smartphone. You can tell from the box what the smartphone is supposed to look like. There's a nice picture over here. There's some extra information on this box. For instance, this particular smartphone comes with a 15.79 centimeters V-notch display, which is basically a 6.2-inch display. It also comes with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal memory. It has a 13 megapixel rear camera, an 8 megapixel selfie camera, and also has a 4000 mAh battery. This phone runs on an octa-core processor. Now let's open this box and take a look at the phone itself. So this is what you find inside the box containing the Panasonic Eluga i8 smartphone. First off, we have a couple of documents. This is the warranty card, and this is the user manual for the Eluga i8, a quick start guide for the Eluga i8, as you can see. This is the micro USB charger for the Eluga i8. It's a very long cable, by the way, almost a meter long charging cable, as you can see from here. Yeah, that's more or less it. And speaking of charging cables, we have this power brick over here. This is the power brick. This is from Panasonic. This is what you use to charge this particular smartphone. There is a transparent smartphone cover that comes with this particular box. It also has a SIM ejector pin attached to it. It's a nice touch. So I'm going to leave this over here as well. We also have a headphone. This is a headphone, a pair of earphones from Panasonic, a very standard looking earphones with a very long cable and a inline mic right over here. There you can see an inline mic. There's also a 3.5 mm jack at one end. This is also a very neat touch. Now let's take a look at the Eluga i8 smartphone itself. This is what the Eluga smartphone looks like. This is the 6.2-inch IPS LCD display, as I was mentioning earlier. At the back we have a 13 megapixel camera. This is the primary camera, and this is your fingerprint sensor right over here. There's a largish sticker over here. I'm going to remove that sticker so you can take a better look at the back. There you can see it has this tough texture to it. It is not exactly scratch free, but it's very tough. The power button and the volume rockers are right over here. Over here you will find the micro USB port and the speakers. Okay, please peel off this mask after application completed. So it has already there is basically a screen shield on this. I'm now going to remove this so that you can take a better look at the display. And this phone is right now off. I'm going to turn it on and show you the display. There you go. You can see this is the 6.2-inch IPS LCD display along with a water drop notch right over here. It will be better visible once the display is completely fully on. So we will just wait for it. So there you can see this is the 6.2-inch IPS LCD display, as I mentioned earlier, and there is your water drop notch right over here. I don't have a SIM card to show you the setup process, but this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Panasonic Eluga i8 smartphone. Thank you for watching.